This video demonstrates the workflow on how to generate a block diagram from a cable list that is imported from Excel. First, we need to go to the Electrical Database tool and define the mapping for Excel import. Here is an example of that. On the left side, there is the preview of the Excel file, and on the right side the object tabs. In the Excel file, we have cables, and we have cabinets. Here you can see an example of how to drag and drop the Excel column headers to the corresponding field in the database. Here we see an example of a cable list where the termination information is shown and defined. With CADMATIC Electrical's database, users have the flexibility to import or re-import any data from Excel seamlessly. All it requires is a one-time mapping setup, after which all data fields from Excel can be effortlessly imported into the database and seamlessly inserted into CAD drawings. The data that is visible here is imported from Excel and is now available in our electrical database. It includes the cables, cable IDs, termination information, and the type information. You can also select other columns to be visible. In this case, let's select, for example, the cable length to be shown. Now we synchronize the CAD side in CADMATIC Electrical. The data from the database is visible in Project Tree on the left side of the screen. Now we can start to place the cables and cabinets manually, or in this case, we use the automated function and generate the block diagram automatically. It allows us to generate several levels in one run. And then, any additionals can be manually placed into the drawing. This is now the block diagram generated automatically. If the user needs to, the block diagram can be edited, or the user can redefine, for example, the bounding areas or boxes, and for example, stretch objects. So the automatically generated diagram can be updated manually if needed or wanted. In case you want to add additional information to the drawings, it can be done by choosing the data fields. In this example, we selected earlier the cable length to be visible in the database, but it can be any other information also. Define the formatting and location of the data field. Once one data field is inserted into the drawing, it can be copied to the rest of the objects. This way, the selected value of each object will be visible in the drawing.